Hello everybody. Unfortunately, I got some problem with my laptop uh, because uh, because it needed repair. It have a hard disk problem because it's old. Um, Unfortunately, it's exactly the time that I decided sit to the camera and talk to you. They recorded videos, uh, but unfortunately, it happened all of a sudden. So for now, I have to just record voices like this and put it on videos. So today I wanna say, let's start at this. I watched my latest videos that showed you my face. So I think the way I'm do talking to you is so awful because of my mistakes during the talk, and maybe you watching my video as you losing your mood, and maybe you leave my videos because of that. But I understand you have right, but I'm Iranian. I'm not talking by English to my folks ordinary, and as I'm speaking Persian, so it's not common. It's not much common in my country, so um, I'm still weak. And no, I got pastime maybe for 1 year or 2 year to just fix my problems in speaking, but for now it's all what I'm doing. Unfortunately, for now, um, it's just me, but I'm trying to do everything, give you my best. I even don't know what we're talking about in my last videos, but today I wanna talk about being weak, having weakness, being some big spawns, but keep working on your targets, your purposes. You know what I mean? I wanna say uh, taking actions is so important, like a child that wanted start to walking, and it's all are so difficult for him. So they fall one time, two time, three time, and children never give up on this. So um, they do give up again with passion. Do give up again with passion, and they start do running, start do something else for make them better. Speaking another language is exactly like this for me. Do try and everything make myself better, but sometimes I feel I'm really weak, and it may be bother you because you listen to my voices, watching my videos. I gotta say, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry of you if you did bothered on my videos, but I know, um, it's me, it's just me, and whatever I'm doing to make myself better. Unfortunately, for now, my laptop is uh, is uh, is into the place that someone repairing that. I don't know what is that name in English, but it's temporary. And after maybe 1 week or 2 week, I sit and talk to you. And you can see my ugly face again. So I came here to say, don't worry about me. I'm still alive, I'm recording videos for you, I'm drawing faces for you, and my next video is about Eminem because I already recorded that drawing, but I didn't upload that, because that stuff's ruined all my plans. So maybe tonight or 2 days later, 2 days to next day, I don't know, I do upload that. I will do upload that, yeah. and that's all.